What's the meaning of caning? Caning. Caning.
Caning. Caning. Caning refers to the act of striking someone with a cane as a form of corporal punishment. The result is typically severe pain and bruising inflicted on the individual who is being caned, as well as potential long-term physical and psychological harm. Caning is a controversial practice and is illegal in many countries due to its inhumane and degrading nature. Despite this, it is still practiced in some parts of the world, often as a punishment for crimes such as vandalism, theft, or drug offenses.